Hello, I'm Andy Arnold. I practice law in Greenville, South Carolina, and I want to talk about, do you have a case? The basics of law. There, essentially in every potential case, there are two categories of issues. The first issue is the category of liability. Has somebody committed a legal wrong? And in that, you essentially look at whether or not there's a duty that someone has breached to another. There are two sources of duties. The first source of duty is negligence, which is the duty to act as a reasonable person. And if you fail to act as a reasonable person, you have acted in a negligent way. The other source of duties comes from contract. Do you have an obligation? Have you made a promise to somebody that's enforceable? And if you breach that promise, you have breached a contractual duty. But that's just part of the story. The other category of issues in every case is damages. Just because someone has breached a duty doesn't mean necessarily that you have a case. The breach of the duty has to result in some form of damages, whether it's loss of wages, medical expenses, a broken bone, pain and suffering. So you have to have both components, liability and damages, to have a case.